Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Popsicle Sticks Jumbo is probably one of the most versatile craft supplies you can have in your arsenal. From simple projects to complex creations, these jumbo sticks offer endless possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, the right popsicle sticks can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes these jumbo sticks stand out and why they might be the perfect addition to your crafting kit. Number 5. Craft WTD 1000 Box of 1000 CT Craft Sticks. Introducing the Craft WTD 1000, a box of 1000 craft sticks. These sticks are perfect for all your crafting needs. Each box contains a generous supply, ensuring you have plenty for various projects. It's a great value for any crafter. These are jumbo-sized, measuring 6 by 5/8 inches, providing ample surface area for your creations. They are easy to handle and work with. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, this product is suitable for all skill levels. They are versatile and can be used in countless ways. The chamfered ends provide a clean finish and make them easy to glue. This feature enhances the overall quality of your projects. Crafted from high-quality birchwood, these sticks are durable and reliable. The natural material adds a touch of elegance to your crafts. What we like. This product comes in a bulk pack of 1000 sticks, ensuring you have plenty for all your crafting needs. The chamfered ends provide a clean finish, making it ideal for various projects. If you're a teacher, a large family, or a serious crafter who needs a large supply, this is a great choice. What people say. Great quality, sturdy, love how many come in the box. I've repurposed these several times now. They never break and they are the perfect size for Brazilian waxes. The sticks are durable. Number 4. KTOJOY 6-inch Jumbo Colored Craft Sticks. These craft sticks measure 6 inches long and 3/4 inch wide. They are the perfect size for a variety of projects. You can easily handle them for your creative needs. Available in 6 different colors: yellow, green, purple, blue, red, and orange. This variety allows you to bring your creative visions to life. It will add a pop of color to any project. These wooden craft sticks can be used in many ways. They are great for craft supplies, candle kits, or even making small wooden boxes. Adults can also use them for waxing applications. Ideal for STEM activities, these sticks are great for math projects. Teachers and parents will love using them for counting, adding, and subtracting. It is a fun way to learn. Made of high-quality natural wood, these sticks are smooth and straight. The smooth, round edges and flat surface make them easy to decorate and safe for everyone to use. It is a great choice for any project. What we like. These sticks come in 6 vibrant colors, adding a fun element to your projects. They are multifunctional, suitable for crafts, educational activities, and even home projects. If you're looking for a way to make learning fun or add some color to your crafts, this is the perfect choice. What people say. No splinters, pretty smooth. Functions as any popsicle stick would. Sturdy. Number 3. KTOJOY 6 Wooden Craft Sticks for DIY Crafts. These are 100 jumbo wooden craft sticks. Each stick measures 6 inches long and 3/4 inch wide. They are the perfect size for various projects. This product can be used in many ways. You can use them for craft supplies, making wooden boxes, or even as waxing applicators. The possibilities are endless. They are perfect for STEM activities and art projects. Teachers, parents, and kids can use them to count, add, and subtract. It's great for home and classroom use. These jumbo wooden sticks are made of high-quality natural wood. They are smooth and straight, with rounded edges and a flat surface. This makes it safe and easy to decorate and build with. Use the sticks for your next project. They are perfect for building, creating, and decorating. Let your imagination run wild with this versatile product. What we like. These jumbo sticks are perfect for a wide range of activities, from crafts to educational projects. The smooth edges make it safe for children. If you have kids or are planning a classroom project, this product is a safe and versatile option. What people say. The jumbo size is perfect for larger projects. The sticks are smooth and splinter-free. Great for crafts and building projects. Number 2. Jumbo Craft Stix 300 CD Pack. These are Jumbo Craft Sticks, perfect for all your crafting needs. This pack contains 300 plain jumbo sticks, ready for any project. Each stick features a chamfered end, providing a clean and finished look. This design makes them easy to handle and work with. They are made of high-quality birchwood, ensuring durability and a smooth surface. The natural wood is ideal for painting, gluing, and decorating. These craft sticks are versatile and suitable for a wide range of crafts. Whether you're building, creating art, or just having fun, they are a great choice. With a pack of 300, you'll have plenty of sticks for multiple projects. They are a must-have for any craft enthusiast. What we like? This product offers a pack of 300 sticks, providing a good balance between quantity and convenience. The chamfered ends provide a clean finish, making it ideal for various projects. If you're looking for a medium-sized pack for various crafting projects, this is a great choice. What people say. These jumbo popsicle sticks are perfect for all sorts of crafts. They are smooth and easy to work with. The size is great for larger projects. Number 1. Perfect Stix PS Jumbo Craft 200 Wooden Craft Sticks. These are the Perfect Stix PS Jumbo Craft 200 Craft Sticks. They are perfect for all your crafting needs. The sticks are made of high-quality birchwood. Each stick is 6 inches long and 5/8 inches wide. The size makes it easy to handle. It's great for various projects. Each package comes with a generous 200 sticks. This ensures you have plenty for all your projects. You won't run out anytime soon. These sticks are great for DIY projects at home or school. You can use them for various crafts. It's a versatile tool for any creative endeavor. The sticks are also suitable for waxing and mixing epoxy. They are a great tool for many other uses. It's a handy tool to have around. What we like? This product comes with 200 birchwood sticks, perfect for a variety of DIY projects. They are great for home or school crafting projects. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile option for your crafting needs, you should consider this. What people say. The jumbo size is perfect for larger projects. They are smooth and splinter-free, making them safe for kids to use. Great for crafts and various projects. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.